Today's lesson is lesson 6.4. The learning goal is I can use proportions to solve percent problems. Let's start with some jokes. Right there, do you see it? Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's the element of surprise. Two lions talking to each other. I'm in the mood for a little treat, son. Would you like some Baskin Robbins? You see it because they're robins and they're in the sun? Okay, here's some people doing math, and you know how when you're doing sports, people get really excited, they like to cheer each other on? Well, these guys are cheering each other on. It says, go for it, Sydney, you got it, you got it. Good hands, don't choke. Because they're solving a math problem. Let's jump right into notebook practice. 25% of what number is 6? So when we're solving these problems today, we're going to use the strategy percent over 100 is equal to is over of. Is over of. So we'll have our percentage here, and we're just going to simply plug numbers into our formula. So we have 25 over 100 is equal to of what number? So we have is 6. And we're missing our of, so I'll put an X there where the of part goes. Now I'll cross multiply to get 600 is equal to 25x. Next I'll divide both sides by 25. Get x is equal to 24. 25% of what number is 6? Well, it's 24. And you could prove it with this example by writing 6 over 24 is over of to get 25%. Because 6 over 24 is equal to 1 over 4. Let's look at number 2. What percent of 40 is 28? Percent, missing, of is 40, is 28. And then remember, we put the percent over 100, so we'll put 100 underneath the x. Now we cross multiply. 100 times 28 is 2800. And x times 40 is 40x. Oh, let me pull that up so you can see it. Next, I'll divide both sides by 40. To get x is equal to 70. So what percent of 40 is 28? That's 70. And again, you could check your answer by doing 28 over 40, which equals 70%. Incredible. Let's continue. Number 3. 15% of 60 is what number? Okay, so then we have 15 over 100 is equal to is, which is our x, and 60, which is our of. So now I'll do 15 times 60 to get 900, and 100 times x to get 100x. Next, I'll divide both sides by 100. When you divide by 100, you move the decimal over 2 places from the right. Or you can just cancel out your zeros to get 9. So 15% of 60 is what number? Is 9. 15% of 60 is 9. 9 is 12% of what number will be our last question for today. So we'll continue with our strategy. Do you remember what our strategy is? We have percent over 100 is equal to is over of. Is over of. Alright, fine and dandy. Let's continue. We have 9 is, so we'll do 9. And we have 12% over 100. Of what number? So I'm missing the of part. Now I'll multiply opposite to get 900 is equal to 12x. Next, I'll divide both sides by 100. Not 100, but 12. To get x is equal to 75. So x is 75. I really look forward to hearing about how nobody watched me do this last problem. It's going to be really exciting. So it's going to be really good when you tell me about how you didn't see this. Okay. Wrap things up by doing our most important part, of course, of our lesson. Let's just see if I could find it. I'll look at this little heart thing that my wife got me. It says, I love you, you're the best. This is for Valentine's Day. I ate all the chocolates, so there's nothing left in there. Okay. Today's learning goal was I can use proportions to solve percent problems. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you later.